Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech with Umesh. So as you can see in the video, this is the brand new Huawei Watch GT2. That's a smartwatch from Huawei. So in the market, as you know, there's a lot of competition going on with the different smartwatches like Apple, Huawei, Samsung, Honor. So I thought of getting a Huawei Watch 2 and I wanted to show you give you a brief review about the new Huawei Watch GT2. So before starting with this video, I'll just show you the contents that are there in the box. As you can see, as always, Huawei gives you a premium packing, the matte black color, a quality box with the model number, the color, the serial number, and other standard certifications mentioned over there. So let's open the box and let's see what is inside. So here actually the watch came into this, like in this slot the watch was there, so I already taken it out. And apart from this, there's a pull option. If you pull it, so you'll find, I think there's a slot for the charger, right? So here you have a magnetic charger like nowadays everyone is using. So here, this is a type C reversible cable. You can use a type C. Then this is the cable that they have given, a type C cable. And this is some documentation. I think it's the warranty card and some standard set of instructions to be used. So let's keep them aside and let's begin with so now, as you can see from here, these are few of the sensors that are used to measure various parameters like your heartbeat, your oxygen level, and many things. So the one that I've ordered is with a black silicone wristband. You have various other options like elegant, leather, and many more. So let's turn it out. So these are the two buttons present at the side. So if you press this button, it'll take a little time to get started. So it's turned on, and now as you could see, this is a notification, no problem. So so this is as soon as you turn on the watch, this is the dial. This is the one preloaded, the standard dial. Okay, so let's explore something more about the watch. So so it's a drop down menu like normal Android or iOS phones. So here you get do not disturb, show time, find your phone, alarm, settings, and many more. The good thing about this watch is the battery life. As you can see, the battery life is now 59%, and I purchased this last week, and I have used it almost the whole day from last week, and since now the battery has drained not more than 20%. So as a company claims a battery of 14 days, I think it justifies it. So now let's see what inside. So this is your heartbeat measure. It continuously measures your heartbeat. Then you have the weather function. Then you have the music. Let's check the speaker. It's pretty nice, I think. The speaker is really nice, and this is the step count, the flow count, and this is all related to the fitness. So this is a standard dial that comes. So you just have to tap for a while, and you'll get a different sets of dials that you could choose as per your mood, as per your dressing, whether it's formal or casual. So let's select resilient, and here you go. So this is something I like about this watch, that the dial pre-installed are standard, that doesn't look cheap like other smartwatches in the market. So now let's press this button again, and we come out to the menu. So you have workout, work status, heart rate, SpO2, the activity record, sleep, call log, content. The good thing is you can receive the calls, you can dial calls, you can store your contacts, you can store your music. They have the barometer reading, compass. Let's see compass whether it's calibrated or not. No, I don't think it's calibrated, so we'll calibrate it some other time. And there are many other standard settings that you could find in other smartwatch in the market. So this is just a brief introduction about the Huawei Watch GT2, and if you ask me honestly, to me it looks pretty premium. I wear it on my daily basis in my office. Sometimes when I'm going out for a party, I just change the dial, I change the straps. You got extra, you can also order extra straps and you can just install it. You can just put it as per your requirements, as per your mood. So after maybe 14 days I will be uploading a review of the Huawei Watch GT2 after using it for 14 days, and we'll divide the video into two sections with the pros and the cons. So I hope you like the basic introduction video, okay, for the Huawei Watch GT2. So stay tuned for the next video, and if you're new to my channel, I would request you all to please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications icon for any new videos that I'm uploading. So thank you so much for your time. Stay tuned.